Two reasons to buy the Amazon stock right now. What are they? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content to finance as well as technology on this channel. And in the previous video we talked about Amazon stock. I explained to each and every part of the Amazon stock. Now let us talk about two reasons in which you should be buying the Amazon stock or you should be selling that. So I currently use Robinhood for that. In the previous video I explained about that. There's a free promo option, free bonus option of getting $200 of worth of Amazon stock if you sign up from the link below. Go check that out. And now let us talk about the reasons. So the first reason is that currently the Amazon price is 97.46, as you can see here from the Robinhood app, and like it is a long-term stock. I have to tell you this, according to my research, it is not a short-term stock, because if you are looking for short-term, even in 1 year, Amazon will be going down $52.49 if you hold it for 1 year, and in 5 years, if you see, in 5 years it will be going to 31.31. So this is just from the Robinhood chart. So this is one of the factors which I'm considering while investing into the Amazon stock. Second factor is if you go at the very end, so there is something known as analyst rating. So there are 53 analyst ratings here, and 92% of them are saying that buy the Amazon stock right now, and like 6% are saying that hold the Amazon stock right now. So basically these analysts are professionals who might be, I don't know like if they're working at Robinhood or not, but they basically give you a very good overview of whether you should be buying the stock right now or not, and 92% are saying that you should buy the stock right now. And I think these two factors I consider. I do not make a decision according to that. So these two factors I consider, and I invested for the long term also. So the graph is a very good indicator of whether I should be investing into the stock market for Amazon right now or not. And please do your own research before investing. Do not follow any advice, because I'm not a professional. I just have done my own research and I'm telling you what I know. So please do your own research before investing into Amazon or any other stock market. And yeah, I hope you like the video, and these two are the factors. Let me know if you consider any more factors other than let me know if you consider any more factors other than this. I'll be very happy to know and maybe increase my knowledge. सो या इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.